Shown here is the 5020 slide latch and the 6200 door pull. Both are chrome-plated Zamac with 2 3/4 inch centers on the holes. The door pull uses an 832 thread, and the two screws shown are part number 9463, which are 1 3/8" oval with one-way heads. The 5020 slide latch has a different throw in each direction. Shown currently is the 1 1/4" throw. The slide latch also has an inch throw in the opposite direction, so it's important that the latch is mounted the correct way for your application. These two parts are designed to be used individually or together as a pair, since the hole centers line up, and they can be used in a through hole or through mounting situation by using the screws through the latch threaded into the holes in the door pull.